Welcome to your serene country retreat. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath DW offers a spacious open floor plan, perfect for modern living and entertaining. The split bedroom layout provides privacy for the primary suite. Step inside to find a welcoming living area that seamlessly flows into the dining, den, and kitchen, creating a bright and airy ambience. The kitchen is equipped with ample cabinetry and counter space, ideal for preparing your favorite meals while staying connected with family and guests. The primary bedroom boasts a generous closet and an ensuite bathroom, complete with a relaxing garden tub and separate shower. 2 additional bedrooms share a well-appointed second bathroom. Outside, you'll appreciate the tranquil country setting from the covered front porch or the back deck. The gently sloping yard leads to a picturesque small creek, offering a peaceful natural